Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW 218i M Sport Pro that comes in a beautiful sapphire black with the 18-inch alloys with the blue brake calipers, as well as the BMW adaptive LED headlights, the iconic black kidney grills, as well as coming towards the side we can see the M logo, privacy glass on rear camera, as well as the automatic open boot with plenty of space here, as well as on the sides, as well as below it. Towards the rear seats we can see our beautiful red leather seats with the child security system ISOFIX, the M Sport Pro stitching on the seat belts, as well as an armrest, two vents and storage on both doors. These two series also comes with sunroof, and towards the driver's side we can see our M Sport black leather steering wheel, the red seats. Towards the steering wheel we can control our cruise control, as well as the MIDI settings, the M Sport logo, as well as towards the cluster you can see our fully digital cluster, and towards the middle we can control our media, our navigation, as well as parking sensors on front and rear. Towards the center console we can see our fully automatic climate controls with heated seats on both sides, a place to store your phone, cup holders. You can control our media, navigation, as well as our fully automatic transmission, a lot of our models Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. In storage we have plenty of space in the middle, as well on both doors here, as well as automatic open and close mirrors and automatic windows in all windows of our car. And also this beautiful 2 Series comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This beautiful BMW 218i M Sport Pro is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. All of our BMW approved used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, please feel free to contact us at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Tomas, thank you so much and have a great day.